Hello and welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to do the front post stitches. We are going to do front post single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. So I have a row of half double crochets right here, and these posts, you'll notice that this stitch is made up of multiple posts. And these posts are very important because whether you're doing single crochet, half double, double, or triple, you will always insert your hook in the same way. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and do the single crochet first. So I'm going to go ahead and chain one and turn my work. Now to do the single crochet, you're going to insert your hook from the front, starting in the front to the back of this first post here. Okay? And then pull that yarn through. Pulling it through, you usually want to do it pretty slowly. Pulling it through is probably the hardest part of this. And then you'll just continue your single crochet the way you always would, by yarning over and pulling through both loops on your hook. Okay, so we're going to do one more single crochet, front post single crochet. You go in from the front, out the other side, pull up that loop, and then just yarn over and pull through like normal. Okay, now for the half double crochet, we're going to go ahead and yarn over because that's what we always do for half double crochet. Then you'll insert your hook in the front to the back, pulling through. Okay, just complete that half double crochet the way you always would. All right, we'll do one more. In through the front, out the other side, and pull through all three loops on the hook. All right, for double crochet, we're going to yarn over. I like to take my finger and kind of pull that yarn back so that my hook is free to just go right into that post and out the other side. Then you can release that yarn, pull it through. Okay, we're going to complete the double crochet the way you always would by yarning over and pulling through two, and then yarning over and pulling through the other two. Let's do one more front post double crochet. Again, just a tip I like to kind of pull that yarn away. Okay. And we are going into this one right here. Okay, and then you're going to complete the double crochet as normal. All right, let's do triple crochet. You yarn over 2 times for that. Again, pulling the yarn out of the way. Go through from the front to the back, pull through, and then you're going to just complete that triple crochet as normal, which is yarning over and pulling through 2 and doing that 3 times. Let's do one more. All right, front of the post. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now I want to show you quickly what this stitch does is it leaves a really pretty ridge in your work. So a lot of the designs, the patterns that I design, I like to use these stitches. And it's kind of cool to see too the progression of your stitches. You've got single crochet, half double, double, and triple, and just seeing the difference in height. So go ahead and click subscribe on the channel. If you learned something from this video and like to see some more videos like this, I do post quite often stitch tutorials as well as pattern tutorials. And if you learned something, please go ahead and give that a thumbs up as well. Thanks so much, guys.